Most people who are struggling right now isn't because they're unlucky. It's because they're not doing the work. And here's the thing, we all know someone like this. They're not willing to put in the time to learn anything. And even when they do, they just don't apply it. They sit there pointing fingers looking for someone else to blame. They say things like, I can't because I don't have this tool. Or I can't because I don't have any money. I can't because. Making money is simple. Wealth is just created from doing the things other people refuse to do. People who succeed didn't get there by accident. We chose to learn. We invested in ourselves. We show up every fucking day, even when it sucks. And when we hit limits and aren't an expert in something, then we delegate. We make sure the right people are in the right spots for success. And if something doesn't pan out, we don't just sit there saying, why me? We adapt, we pivot, we grow, always. Now, if your mindset is stuck on, I wish I had more money or more time, then you're already lost. People that say those things will always be drowning in excuses. And listen, if your immediate response to a difficult situation is, why me? Then you need to step back and just listen. No one's coming to save you. You're not failing because it's hard. You're failing because every time something gets hard, you have an excuse as to why you cannot succeed. Or even worse, you decide to quit. Now, if that sounds familiar at all, then please just take a step back. And you need to start putting yourself first every time. Invest in yourself. Do something new, anything, every single day. Not just learning how to do it, but actually applying it. And trust me, you will fail a lot, but that's the part of the process. Success is built on failure, not perfection. I failed 9 times, and each time I came back stronger, smarter, and I built something 10 times more valuable. That's why you hear it all the time. Millionaires can lose it all tomorrow and build it back twice as fast. It's because we already know what not to do. We've lived those mistakes, we've earned the scars, and we came back twice as strong. And I know you have that in you too. And maybe you're not a millionaire, yet at least. You have it in you, and I know you do. So no more why me. Start asking, how do I build things better, faster, smarter? How do I get my dream life? And then go out and get it. No more excuses. No more blaming the world. I believe in you, and now I just need you to believe in yourself. But remember, the time is ticking. Everyone gets the same 24 hours in a day. Use it wisely. Get obsessed. Get dangerous. And go build the life you deserve. Thank you so much for watching. Now go make that money. I'll talk to you soon.